Hey glow getters, are you tired of dull skin, stubborn dark spots, and those pesky fine lines? Want that Korean glass skin without breaking the bank? Well, get ready to transform your skin with this incredible DIY rice cream. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve glowing, spotless, and even-toned skin, this simple yet effective rice cream is designed to help whiten your skin naturally and fight those pesky signs of aging. Trust me, this is a game changer. The best part? This recipe is suitable for all skin types. And yes, this is for both men and women. You can apply this amazing cream not just to your face, but also to your hands, legs, and neck to help whiten and rejuvenate those areas as well. We're focusing on a gentle and natural approach to bring out your skin's natural radiance. Let's dive into this super easy recipe. First, we'll start with our star ingredient. Rice flour. We need 2 spoons of rice flour. This isn't just your kitchen staple, it's a skin brightening powerhouse. Rice flour contains para-aminobenzoic acid, PABA, which acts as a natural sunscreen, helping to protect your skin from harmful UV radiation and prevent sun damage. It also helps to lighten dark spots, even out skin tone by reducing hyperpigmentation and absorb excess oil, making it a fantastic ingredient for those with oily or combination skin. Plus, it has anti-aging properties that promote cell growth and help to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a more youthful and revitalized look. Corn flour. Now, add 1 spoon of corn flour. Corn flour might seem unusual, but it's amazing for achieving a silky smooth texture. It helps to absorb excess oil, making it great for all skin types, and it also contributes to a brighter complexion by gently mattifying the skin. It acts as a gentle thickener in our cream, giving it that perfect, luxurious feel. Coconut oil. Next, we'll add 1 spoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a holy grail ingredient. It's deeply moisturizing, helping to hydrate the skin and prevent dryness and flakiness. It also helps to reduce inflammation, soothing any redness or irritation, and it's packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and slow down the aging process, helping to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Coconut oil also helps in wound healing and can improve the skin's barrier function, protecting it from environmental damage. 4. Aloe vera gel. Now, for some soothing goodness, add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a skin-soothing superstar. It hydrates the skin without making it oily, providing essential moisture without clogging pores. It also reduces redness and inflammation, calming irritated skin, and promotes skin healing, aiding in the repair of damaged skin cells. It's also packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that nourish the skin and contribute to a healthy glow. Olive oil. Time for another skin-loving oil. Add 1 spoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E, which helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. It's also incredibly moisturizing, helping to keep the skin soft and supple, promotes skin elasticity, and can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. It's also anti-inflammatory, which can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Glycerin. Now, let's add a few drops of glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, which means it attracts moisture to the skin from the air, helping to keep it hydrated and plump. This added hydration can improve skin texture and smoothness, making your skin feel incredibly soft and supple to the touch. It also helps to maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. 7. Almond oil. We'll also add 1 spoon of almond oil to this mix. Almond oil is packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage and premature aging. It's also deeply moisturizing, helping to keep the skin hydrated and preventing dryness. Almond oil is known to soothe inflammation and improve overall skin tone, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. 8. Vitamin E oil. Finally, the magic touch, a few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage, which contributes to aging, including the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps to keep your skin moisturized, preventing dryness and promoting a healthy skin barrier, promotes healing of damaged skin, and can improve the appearance of scars and fine lines, leading to a more even-toned complexion. And there you have it, your very own DIY rice cream, packed with skin-loving ingredients. Look at that smooth, creamy texture. It's like a spa treatment in a jar. How to use. Apply a small amount to your clean face and neck, gently massaging it in upward motions. This helps to improve circulation and ensures the cream is absorbed effectively. For best results, use it daily night to allow the ingredients to work their magic and provide continuous nourishment to your skin. Store your rice cream in an airtight container, in a cool, dark place, or in the refrigerator. It should last for up to 2 weeks. Get ready to see some amazing results. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, more even-toned, and incredibly soft. Fine lines and dark spots will start to fade, revealing a youthful, radiant glow. Remember, consistency is key. The more consistently you use this cream, the better the results will be. So ditch those expensive creams and embrace the power of nature with this simple DIY rice cream. Your skin will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing skincare DIYs, and share this with anyone who deserves glowing skin. Let me know in the comments how this works for you. Until next time, stay radiant.